Hi guys, this is Swapan and you are watching Eagle Academy. This is my computer hard drive and Eagle Academy F drive, and this is USB drive H, that is pen drive. I want to copy a video file, that is the video file, from Eagle Academy hard drive to my external pen drive. So I paste this after copy the file, but whenever I try to copy any video or files to my external pen drive, the message shown: the file is too large for the destination file system. And this is a common problem you face. In this video, I try to discuss how to solve the problem, and you can copy easily any file, JPG or PDF or video file from your hard disk to your external pen drive. Let's start. For that, you have to change some settings of your external pen drive. For that, you need to open your this PC and right click on the USB drive and click on format. After that, you need to change the file system option. Click here and select NTFS. Okay, and after that, the option allocation unit size, you need to select on default allocation size. After that, click on start. Click on now. Okay. With the warning shown, formatting will erase all data on the disk. The format the disk. Click OK to quit. Click cancel. If you want to quit, you need to click on cancel, and if you want to format the disk, you need to click on OK. I click on OK and click on yes. After that, the format process is running. You need to wait for some time. The format process is completed. Now click on OK and close, and the USB drive now is formatted. And now again I try to copy my video file from Eagle Academy drive. Right click on the video file and copy and paste in the USB drive. And friends, now watch, the copy process is running well. Okay guys, this problem is now solved. Please like, share this video. We talk again later.